mamini kan sha sem famfi ho so na yenhwe nra animguase a makogu mu ankasa mo ho ene England fu na wo sere motivational speaker
okay
no na wo sha se enwumre no wakasa kwan sa
uze
anope na da so kwan
me sign my contract is multimedia no? There was a portion of it called a confidentiality clause. The confidentiality clause no ehye me kete say ni maybe one man see we adwuma ha and now say the way multimedia here na adwuma no me ntimi fan koto abonte
okay
and yes I can wa de pa be deji papa and yes I confidentiality clause that mama me sign na and can you ever to internet because me see me phone one me phone facial demeanor from time I saw it gina hani ade no the records I have on my phone they can but me can't share.
When you utie didimo
oh me the time is still there.
Me catch it.
So do what you want to do.
Ene come me push out say dem me push do.
Oh we dey share can see there. Dem be na America. And they are America wo kada.
Me
what have you not said before?
Onya utie didimo
until say we bomb Sakura and there's no way be possible be do Mr. Sakura.
You get there.
Oh,
don't worry me.
It will
get me push you I will get there.
Wow.
And who Sakura and the you na near the you found.
Wow, who can be Sakura be mentioned.
UEFA Champions League. Yenin common
yeah.
Minim matches 4 near boy.
Yeah.
Almost or they start to free.
Which first of Enra Esumu drew English Premier League, you know. And the 2 days I have UEFA Champions League, both on Tuesday and on Wednesday. Esumu Kesiene drew Premier League, you know. And in all of the 4 or 5 games that Premier League teams now, so in fact 6 games that Premier League teams are in the Champions League this stage, you know, only a single win. In fact, majority of them either someone lose here, and only a few of them will draw games. Them. So it tells you that it hasn't been a good one from Premier League teams over the week. And what is the case? Over Kaya, you started conversation on Tuesday. Me catch you say, one shiny as your boss are first round where we are the comparison of the English Premier League and the Spanish La Liga and the other games. As a global Premier League for people are asking questions. So after all the talk, about saying Madrid is the
most watched league now.
Yes, all of those things. Now, I'll drop a point. Say, Rich, starting with Liverpool, you see 1-0 with Galatasaray. Atletico Madrid, Etnefi, Echetoria must be 5-2. Newcastle, Ebon Homodin or Bordeaux against Barcelona. Bino for Leverkusen, any Arsenal, Etnefi, Epaye, 1-1. Paris Saint-Germain, serious drubbing. Eromobo Chelsea at the Parc des Princes, 5-2. And then Real Madrid, any team in front of Manchester City, so Madrid it's me winning game no, by 3-0. What it means is that in the 6 games that Premier League team clubs no abon, Oma conceded 16 goals. And Oma share 6 pay. And Real Madrid and Shego, Liverpool and Shego, Tottenham share 2, Chelsea share 2. And then of course there was another 2 goals that was scored between Newcastle United and Arsenal, making it 6 goals per once conceding 16. But let's start from the Santiago Bernabeu, which me pebia yebedi Madrid in Comono Beka say, oh, Madrid is a cathedral when it comes to the Champions League. Only the first name you mentioned when you talk about the champion. In fact, say you see Petit Barco when you close your eyes and think of the Champions League with them, a football club Real Madrid and Argentina, it is true. And maybe that thing came to bear. Champions League night, Santiago Bernabeu, Madrid backs are against the wall. A certain Manchester City never against them. They really stood up. The likes of Thierry Henry will say, shirts now almost show Madrid in the mood. But these players wore the shirt and they got it done. In fact, and you know, before the start of the game, who saw images way of Madrid team bus going towards the Santiago Bernabeu, being heralded by Mponkoni police for any and but it's just a round of 16 game. And see that young match in the BR and your semi-final be it's just this game. But not knowing Madrid were building the momentum and there was something in there for Football Club Real Madrid. Rich, yeah, like I said, I don't begrudge anybody. Our Rebecca said, oh, it is Madrid. They know how to play the Champions League. Only a dominant. Oko Santiago Bernabeu maybe. But Rich, sadly, no. It stops us and prevents us from giving credit to the job that the coaches did. Rich and now, it was all Alvaro Arbeloa even before the players. And Kony here, he would have been the first person that Madrid stars and a lot of football fans would have called him out. In fact, before the game, nobody gave credit to Alvaro Arbeloa say Obetimi Germain against Josep Guardiola. In fact, these two coaches had opposite ends of the sphere. There was no way Alvaro Arbeloa close to Josep Guardiola. But on the night, he engineered something. And then they see it. Mbappe is available. Bellingham is available. Rodrigo Goes is available. So he had to do something. Or go against a certain Manchester City team that they are picking in form and they are doing the right thing. So he had to change something. Which after the game, Josep Guardiola said, "Now, they be a 4-4-2 noble, especially without Mbappe. They be over 4-4-2. But one tears here that Nhyira Averu 5 midfielders were parking in Fiifi, and for me that was the holy grail. That is what won the game for Team Manfred Football Club Real Madrid. The numerical superiority and the application from the players. You remember application of the players now. But in Fiifi, he played at Brentford Thiago Peter, young player from the La Fabrica, brought him on. Added a Brentford or the young Germain in Fiifi. Make sure say the box to box was done by Brentford friend Federico Valverde. And he's a natural box to box player. If you see one say, who percent of the natural box to box players are Federico? Hey, one of them. Obetima about 8, Obetima about 6, Obetima about 10, Obetima about wherever. Offensive, defensive, whatever he asks of him, Federico can give it to you. He played it in there. Which in Fiifi Corona, or also or the Brentford friend Ada Gule, the starting lineup, the parking in Fiifi. Making sure that he had XX numbers. So he had Peter, had Abenche Feno, Valverde, Germain, Abenche Feno, Ada Gule, and added Abenche Feno Brahim Diaz to drop. While City started the game with just 2 recognized midfielders. It was a City formation now. It was a flat 4-2-3-1. Abdul Kader Kusinov to deal with Vinny Jr., played Ruben Diaz, and Abenche Feno McGay, then Nico O'Reilly, had Bernardo Silva, then Rodri Gonzalez, and Fiifi, Antoine Semenyo, Doku, Savinho, and then Brentford friend Ellen Haaland. Pep thought it was going to be a 4-4-2. It was also able 4-2-3-1 to counter the 2 midfielders and have extra men in attack with 4. But that didn't happen. Brentford friend Alvaro Arbeloa knew that so when the 2 midfielders then he will not succeed against Pep technical midfielders and an extra overload of 4 players. So he started with 5 midfielders with Ada Gule dropping into the middle, and of course Brentford friend Brahim Diaz. The output of the players is the second thing that won the game for Madrid, and maybe that is where the spirit of the Madrista ever in nights like that. As sometimes they just want to play like Omar Penche. So just do the little thing for them, the base not to build, and that's exactly what they did. Peter Anofrihe. How did the young boy just step onto the Madrid field at that age?
Champions League night.
Champions League night.
Against Man City.
And cover every blade of grass. Which made me see my brother. I will forever reward hard work than any other thing. Because talent sometimes you don't control. You bet me, one of them may be blessed with talent, the other may not be. I will forever reward the one that works harder. Because he could have been the most talented player. But to put in that effort on the field of play to cover every blade of grass for Football Club Real Madrid yesterday made him stand out. And the young man, Brentford Peter, was excellent. Look at the goals for Brentford friend Federico Valverde. Alvaro Arbeloa said the game plan was simple. In the attack, he constantly asked Valverde to always get in behind the spaces and Man City for no center backs, no defense, no. And 3 solid goals. This one was my favorite.
Second one.
Yeah, we were controlling. And the power behind it. That was my favorite.
And I hear preview,
Yeah.
I mean, I had a time.
Yeah.
Time or day or no, the possible level in the buy, And I must have ever the boy,
Okay.
So me, I was like, was a Valverde no you be on so Madrid midfielder.
Yeah.
Madrid a different team altogether.
Yeah.
At the time I'm who's honorable from the back because of injuries now.
Yeah.
Madrid women, I was like, this will really affect Real Madrid.
Yeah.
But anyway, almost start the game now. Valverde says oh pushy. I couldn't even know.
Yeah.
The guy is super. I mean, he's only Bobo.
Proper box.
But anyway, I know Chem said, look, Richardo, Sadly now or for me. I brand in Bobo too much.
Which of the two goalkeepers and made a difference maker on the night? It looked as if Madrid, Thibaut Courtois got that one. Excellent assist for Brent's friend Thibaut Courtois to find Federico Valverde in the attacking area. Of course, it was not a good one for Brent's friend Gianluigi Donnarumma, and Madrid were able to win the goal. And everybody, including Mbappe, Mo, were elated. It was standing for Football Club Real Madrid. Nubia gave them the quality, and then the fans only deserve. Of course, we need to give credit to our Brent's friend Thibaut Courtois. Rich. Now, did you get the saying say asemani e kan wasem no na any problem announce excitement everybody am senior
goalkeeper nana
okay say we ask a question
me but I'm make say me Sanchez
okay Robert Sanchez
because of experience
exactly you know me catch you say adewe say efa e wi asini nya Chelsea fans will hail Liam senior say I'm far they are going to come at him and one shiny here it be destabilizer no Rich. When I watch the game, it is the regular Chelsea meltdown story. And the architects of Omangas are down for. And that's the problem. Chelsea team in the house is here. The biggest problem of Chelsea is Chelsea. And your opponent that they will face. And now, I look at the game and there wasn't a moment inside game now. Me are worried say, oh, Paris Saint-Germain are better than Chelsea, no. For a lot of people, they will argue that, oh, Paris Saint-Germain form not drop it. Fine. I'm looking at just yesterday's game. Rich, I don't have a problem with Liam Senior. The starting lineup not the choir. Because so also me argue because Chelsea played well. Rich, up until the 74th minute. Chelsea 2-2. Chelsea played well also because of Jorgensen. If anybody agrees that from the blast of the whistle to the 74th minute, also Chelsea are there. Also part of it is Jorgensen. Any coach or a selection.
So what happened?
Rich, what happened is the enemy because up to now, Chelsea do not have a proper all-round goalkeeper. They be a Chelsea a bad short stopping. Me, when you dang
Sanchez,
I won't choose 5-3 goalkeepers ahead of Sanchez. I've said it here. Even when people are not opening their eyes to it, I said it and I stood it. And I catch you and I say, Semikra Messi Mini Rosini Abaya Junior Kofa Jorgensen. Jorgensen may be comfortable on the ball, but the Champions League is about moments. Save Bakubi, save you, Bakubi, and the Club World Cup was because of Philippe, American friend Robert Sanchez. He saved Kaka. So then that was the worry. He had to take a risk. He had to make a decision. It's part of his job as a coach. Maybe as a fan, after the game, you look at it and like, Massa, 1 million losing match. But it's part, and it goes back to the Chelsea recruitment. One place that Chelsea have not done better is that Chelsea, Robert Sanchez going to be number one. You give him proper competition. And you're Jorgensen. I'm talking about the all-round attribute of a goalkeeper. And you're Jorgensen. Rich, when Chelsea started building up, it's okay. PSG phone also took a risk on by pressing man for man. It took me say Marquinhos, etimi ba na odi Pedro Neto na space about the down. Then there's a combination play. Enzo Fernandez could clear. Then they get a space again. Looking at it from the first time, you're opening them up. Kill on the game. Which at the 74th minute, Chelsea were done by themselves. Yeah, but people are failing to mention the name of the captain. It started with James. Mayulu go now, Vitinha Shea, you know. It started with Reese. Or one of those goals, I think it was Vich's goal or one of them. It started with Reese, a Kolusu board on Fiifi on Sunny Mayulu. And I bought a bag, Bebe Shea. as leader and captain at that point in time, he is the coach on the field of play. That being Babe Kacho say, if it was the olden day Chelsea, Reece James will not be Chelsea captain. On your bad player. But if you take all the captains in the English Premier League, one of the other things usually I think about is say, oh, Chelsea red card on Matedun. One of the biggest problems is Reece James.
Too soft.
Too soft. Wait, when something happens, not a Manchester United player being yellow card, Bruno Fernandes can go to the referee and talk to him. Reece is too relaxed. Virgil van Dijk will come to you. A lot of the teams have those personalities. Reece is a nice guy. He's a good player. But in terms of personality as a captain, maybe because Enzo team run for it, maybe I won't go for Enzo. But if I had somebody who was a very good communicator in English, I probably would have gone for Enzo Fernandes. And then I think in terms of game management, he was part of it even before Leandro Senior. At 2-2, Jorgensen Koye is a mistake. No? Rich.
Saturday and I'm into goalkeepers as you.
Yeah.
Yeah, but from the back.
Yeah.
Yama back pass.
Yeah.
Back pass, no. Baby, I would the pass in the corner.
Yeah.
What was a Nipano?
If you hoba.
Kolonge.
Rich,
every change in quarter shot.
Rich, when you say Kumi, Philip Jorgensen is a right-footed player. You're both born a man. When you saw the left foot, and on the attempt is a pass. That was his weaker foot. Look at the image. You're both born a man now. Or you're looking. No, in the left foot. Goalkeepers do that a lot. Antonin Kinski did the same thing. You don't do that here.
Because we players now. Why would you pass the ball on the move? Yamakobia. So what do you do? Go long.
You have to go long.
On the court. It will also so over here. Born the tournament now.
Yeah.
And then Enzo catching the chairman. Are they?
Oh yeah, especially the second. Enzo catching massa. You know they say,
"How long way? Is it by force a shot?"
And that's most of the times I don't agree with Jamie Carragher. But yesterday he said something. He was spot on. There is no problem so ball shot, but not at the 74th minute. Only says only 2-2 because Stanford Bridge. You give yourself a huge chance to qualify. You don't go long, you don't go short here. This one, I'm going you too tight, and your weak foot. It's at the 74th minute. You go long.
Mibao, Hana, when I know open resumes.
Debbie, he is not in our shot. Near Kopama, no finish side never. Not Kopama.
No, me make a timer pass in the corner.
Yeah.
Why moment I know person the ball man?
Kopama, he's not in our shot. Once our space here, Kopama. Not Kopama finishing ba. It's in Bobo na Shawama Kopama.
Because Reece them who's a two players running.
Chaloba see you closing it down. This side, Wesley Fofana the ball man. I thought the best place was Wesley. But on for one call Wesley Wadum. In this area, Kopama was coming, he was free. Although no be in the but I know you're into the center of the pitch. Now born Kokel. 3-2. Rich. The TV then them say don't give the game away. Don't give the game away. Now 4-2. Don't give the game away. Don't give the game away. 5-2.
Tiny dead.
I don't know. Honestly. I feel like Rich, chances in here, anybody a boy. If we play like that at the bridge, we can score 3. But am I confident enough to say Chelsea beat me, Jumano, and not concede our Stanford Bridge?
One number so can
I'm not.
As a moment problem need to say Barcelona Atletico Madrid game.
Yeah.
So okay.
Yeah.
Me catch was a Barca Atletico Madrid a very simple moment. But as you saw, to be a sharp qualifying.
Yeah.
Because this Chelsea team, this over 90 minutes unconceded.
Yeah.
Share the motive show. You say be a 2-3 you can score. But as to say, 90 minutes in the Chelsea is going to be conceded.
That is the biggest problem.
They say Premier League teams in India are more likely to be qualify.
Yeah.
Liverpool.
Yeah.
And then Arsenal.
Man City has been turning around. Oh, Etihad.
They can't.
3 goals per. At Etihad.
Mr. Say, I give now. Udi Agra. Second leg. Real Madrid best have show you.
At Etihad.
City team now. Ebia on share. Team bia on this city be jina toe to toe babo bia na city hu so. Why to mo kakra bia. Ubenya simple kra. Omo defense no mo panic. Especially when Oko second leg, or the 3 goals, I cannot echo. It means that say starting game now, but who go as all Pekwan Biaso says all 2 goals in them. On never marry Real Madrid better so much, you know. On my banana Vinicius, my weird man.
I said Paris Saint-Germain, you know, the first goal I be.
And Kofi, Moba Shabat Mujim qualify.
First 10 minutes, you pop Paris Saint-Germain about
second leg, you know. Chelsea will beat PSG, but Mujim qualify. Sana Bay. Newcastle say you only on so and you'll be free. You're more 1-1 war. St. James in Franco can do. Yes, no, but no means over film. Tottenham Crowd, Umbenya. Come trauma UEFA as a second leg, no more.
Na Liverpool.
Liverpool. Sentinel make catch us teams are. Ometima come a Liverpool and an Arsenal.
So the Liverpool did our home this season or Champions League. We're losing to PSV and Dovin or home.
Minimum. But Omesha got that's right. I'm sure.
When is that Chelsea a better home record or Champions League this season than Liverpool?
Kofi minimum in about me say. So who do you know me back? Kofi. So who do you know you? Who do you say? Most Paris Saint-Germain problem. But the second question I want because I'm so babusa I want to say this Chelsea team defense and the goalkeepers in Dom JJ. Dear pan and bet my no. Be dear soon could be na Chelsea bet my ya. Ya about 90 minutes in the referee back on baby you know. Chelsea concede goal. It won't happen.
And nothing that me too confident say Chelsea will qualify. But Rich, me not surprised if Chelsea qualifies.
And then see. Chelsea is a mad moment of football.
Yeah.
I bet me see. But not this game. Senka Chelsea concede goal there. Fine. 3 and no granted then kaka. So we said this Paris Saint-Germain team 3.
But first of all, Liam was senior. Then I'll be. Over twice with Feliz against another Robert Sanchez. Because when you had Robert Sanchez back, there's a holding your way. We're confused.
Oh no. That's me the goalkeeper called them. That's what I'm doing. Now I'm confused now my end.
Then it means that you've dropped the
keeper now
Jorgensen.
No. Me sansa na man for coming on nyade. Me the goalkeeper called that goal post with anticipation say the me pass or cop park in so kwen no be kwa kwe. Okwen when Germain deliver. Na ma taking off house me dem here. No. The me feel so call so and when Germain.
This weekend against Newcastle, only Sanchez na be them. So Yamo senior.
Yeah. Me mo no mother to build the confidence ahead of Paris Saint-Germain game no. Jenkins say no me catch it. He's good, but Champions League in Kofi ABBO. A draw now need some experience in Libya and you remember bull. 19 about 4 was a rap channel. Your feet good now. I quite scary as share.
Sanchez saves that.
Sanchez, I'll bet you simple crap.
Rich, honestly, meaning say we be on popular opinion. No, sir. Cavaria, Bono or Bokelino. Sanchez saves that on any day. Oh, you Bono. Oh, you say Bono any day.
Oh, them in home puss. On say, oh, you're mistaken. You know, clearly.
Yeah.
Now, I say pressure about us. Because no one say, as of best 73rd, 75th minute, you're able to 2. And my question say, silly mistake we. Am I share? It is all here from that time now to see a ball game, you know.
And Liam was singing in Nyade because I've heard that too. Nyade.
Tactics, you know.
Yeah.
Oh, that's what we say. The love when you undo my esca. So I am my esca. How will he handle PSG team, no? In the final. Now show we now defense.
But say no for large part of the game or Bulu the data shows or Bulu. I can understand some business say
5-2.
So does it mean that on Nyade?
Liam.
Yeah.
Me moment there. And when I catch the Gabi, ne love on the Strasbourg obey me. But Chelsea.
One match, what is the football fans say? Is this one game?
No one game.
Which Osha Villa, Chelsea fans said it that Liam was good.
Aston Villa team about from.
But the same people are saying that in Onyade, they said that he was good. So that is why I'm trying to find a new one and say, okay, Onyade cry or it's just wrong management because I think a wrong manager from the 74th minute on, even on the substitution. Right, at that point in time, you didn't take off João Pedro. You could palm a food enough for Ghana Chobra, near switch it. Then go direct. Liam Delap is out of form. You understand? So for me, it's that small management of also the lack of experience that is hurting the team. That is why we Mikacho say Chelsea need because say and they are coach or Chinese coach team the check. It's been 15 years. Not Chelsea or get breast out to qualify for the Champions League if that is how the fans want the team to go.
Me, so I give win and I'm your coach. time and keeper near mistake now, you consider a third goal.
Yeah.
I'll tell the players, look, Champions League now, a moment. Your moment, they are 3-2. Now, be anyone, a see a home concert changing and Kotikano.
Yeah.
Let's take our time.
Gusto after the game.
Let's manage the game.
Yeah.
Because a 3-2.
Yeah.
Those are much idea, but scoreline here the mind for the second leg.
Yeah.
Because you could go home.
Yeah.
So Liam manage 3-2 near Fampong. Minimum reason to still now Zina person so person go with the game.
The problem is that Liam was seeing any opportunity in players in Kasa.
So call the captain and tell him.
That is why I'm telling you that the captain should know that and get them to control the game in that state. The captain has to do that because Rich, so when you coach Germain at some time you need a coach on the field of play.
Because I mean the reason why I announced a change in person Kotikano.
You don't open it up. In fact, Chelsea should go Omoji offside, but Rich James again. Mayulu Bones, Chris, like a Desica last season or be against Fulham. On the ball, no one relaxing or bonus. It is some of the problems you get when you play Rich centrally. And I'm hoping Romeo Lavia will be fit. Maybe you come back to the Stamford Bridge. Lavia you fit again, fully fit. Start Romeo Lavia, Enzo, and Caicedo. Number
Caicedo or Brett. Oh yeah. The Caicedo I know. It's all to a bobo or Tesopa or Brett.
Yambo Dario Sugana. Suguzu di eti fani ko di match we. Eti fe Sugu.
If you want why?
Enfa.
Oh, there. Na so win Enfa.
Di
moment refi ni na you know TV.
Hope kakra say bia we can maybe.
Hope be from me ho.
Aye.
Na na wuti kura na yin na niam bia ya niam bi na nke na wo. And if you go the two man and then go for na epe.
Cha.
If we quarter finals, you be no TV so. Na 3 goals they mo go fa no ya. Asa. Edwin.
Away at Bano for Makusi.
Edwin.
Yeah, verse one man. I'm here to me who say wo nyoma kakra bi o na enra back to back. Boys no.
Said bet in
on Tuesday no almost answer first cap. Nene Europa League no e course bi you know your record or Europa League into me show my 1 minute na me ma what T4 code to me show team Nhyira radio so no for pen or paper or Nhyira TV or YouTube so obetimi aba be your screenshots and first one a BW 44 A8 EF1E. Second one a BW 44 A8 B4 AB. Third one a BW 44 A8 B5 E4. Fourth one a BW 44 A8 B0 EB. Rich, these are codes and the man with T4.
Okay. That's it. T4 enjoy Germain so mama Nhyira 4.5 na me so anka wo say